everybody, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing amazing, and you guys know why I'm here. I'm back to present you with more remote work opportunities. So, not going to waste your time at all. Let's go ahead and get into these opportunities. Okay, everybody, so let's get into today's part-time opportunities. I do have a job with a 5-hour shift along with others. So we're going to start off with a job from the company, the outreach team. And so this is a company that connects with specific populations to provide services, support. Also, depending on the context, they either focus on progressive civic engagement or social and community services. So that's a little bit about the company. And they have a few jobs, but right now we're going to talk about quality control administrator. So this is a job that I wanted to share last week, but in their qualifications, they mentioned that you must be bilingual. They have changed that since then. So let's get into the details. Of course, it's part-time, and so they do only have specific states that they hire from. So I appreciate the fact that they're letting us know this up front. Many companies put this at the bottom of the description, which really wastes a lot of people's time. So let's appreciate the fact that they have this up front and out in the open. If you're not in those states, then you will not be able to work with this company. Now, this position is going to start between now and it's going to end in November of 2026. So if you're looking to work part-time, make some extra money right now, this is a great opportunity for you. Now, you're going to be required to sign up for 4 QC shifts per week. You're going to be working about 20 hours a week. There is the potential for fewer or more shifts depending on the workload, and the shifts are available 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, and run from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. So this is going to be a great opportunity for those of you who are retired, stay-at-home moms, or those of you who maybe, work part-time elsewhere and you have the availability to work between 12 and 5 Eastern time. What you're going to be doing is visual inspection of voter registration cards to determine accuracy and completeness. You're going to participate in verification calls to newly registered voters to ensure accuracy of data. And you need detailed note-taking on the results of visual inspections and verification calls. So one thing I really like about this position is you don't need any experience. Now, all you need is an access to a laptop or computer and reliable internet. You need to be able to listen, have attention to detail, and also be trustworthy and also passionate about progressive issues and motivated by social change. It would be nice if you had comfort and skill at communicating with voters over the phone in both English and Spanish, and a passion for increasing voter participation among communities whose voices are often silenced, fluency with Google Sheets and Excel, a highly organized team builder who is driven and goal-oriented, and previous experience in phone banking or in a call center is a plus, and previous experience doing QC or voter registration is a plus. That's pretty much their preferences. Those are not requirements. So I'm highlighting the compensation for you here, and if you are bilingual in English and Spanish, they do have additional pay available for you, okay? So great opportunity here, quick 5-hour shift, and it doesn't seem like the work is going to be too hard. So definitely apply while you can. Okay, everybody. So before we get into more job leads, we all know the job market is unpredictable. We have no control over the job market, but what we do have control over is how we present ourselves in this job market. Okay, so the first step with that is making sure that your resume truly, highlights your qualifications and skills for remote opportunities. Okay, so it's a total difference between a remote resume and a resume for jobs outside of the home. So if your resume feels outdated, or if you've been applying for a while and you're not getting any type of callbacks, it may be time to get your resume reviewed or revamped so that you can make sure that you're presenting yourself in the best way possible. Okay, so I'd love to assist you with that. You can check out my services. The link is in the description bar, and you can also use code SAVE5. I look forward to assisting you guys. Let's go ahead and get into the next set of job leads. Our next opportunity is coming from the company Getinge, and I know that sounds weird, but this is a Swedish company, and I did look up how to pronounce this. So this is a company that's been around since 1904, and they specialize in equipment for intensive care, cardiovascular procedures, operating rooms, and sterilization. So they have over 12,000 employees. So this is a very big company. Okay, so right now they do have a communications coordinator. It's temporary for the next 6 months, and it's remote Eastern Standard Time in the US. So I believe you do need to be in the Eastern Standard Time Zone for this opportunity. Now, I am highlighting the compensation for you here. And so let's get into the details. It's going to involve you drafting, editing, and proofreading content for emails, newsletters, websites, social media, press materials, and internal communications. You'll support internal communications, including company announcements, presentations, and employee updates, and assist with campaign planning, execution, and content calendars, and maintain brand voice and visual standards across all communications. You're going to be providing administrative support for the communications team. This is going to include scheduling meetings, coordinating approvals, and tracking deadlines. So this is where most of your phone usage will come in. You'll be managing and supporting sponsorship and charitable donation requests, including intake, evaluation, approvals, tracking, and coordination with internal stakeholders. And you'll maintain project documentation, editorial calendars, and communications archives. You'll support budget tracking, vendor coordination, and invoice processing as needed, and assist with event logistics, launches, and special initiatives. You'll also use digital team management tools, so that's going to be Airtable and Smartsheet, manage tasks, timelines, and workflows, and you'll update and monitor project dashboards to ensure visibility into team priorities and progress. You'll coordinate cross-functional inputs and follow-ups to keep projects moving forward, and you'll own the day-to-day management of the team's corporate website pages, including publishing and updating content, maintaining site accuracy and consistency, and coordinating reviews and approvals across the organization. You'll be tracking and reporting communications performance metrics, so that's going to be email engagement, social media analytics, website traffic, and assist with media monitoring, press list, and basic media outreach. So they'd like a bachelor's degree in communications, marketing, journalism, public relations, or related field. 1 to 3 years of experience in communications, marketing, or administrative support roles, strong writing, editing, and proofreading skills, organizational skills, and experience using digital collaboration or project management tools is preferred, and proficiency with Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. So let's move on to our next opportunity. This one is coming from the company Dex Imaging. Dex Imaging is the largest independent dealer of document imaging equipment in the U.S. So they specialize in selling and servicing copiers, printers, multifunctional products from brands like Canon and Kyocera. Okay, so currently they do have an opportunity as a part-time remote customer service representative. I'm highlighting the cities and states here for you, so you will need to be in those states. Now, they're saying flex hours are available for this position. It's going to be up to 29 hours a week, and I am highlighting the compensation for you. You're going to be answering customer questions and requests for supplies, service, and troubleshoot first-level technical issues via inbound calls and or voicemails, also emails and alerts, and you're going to be responsible for positively building and maintaining excellent customer service and identifying when technical support can be supported via phone. You'll provide clear and concise communications and follow up with every customer on the company's schedule, requesting lead and delivery times, and you're going to work with the Tier 2 team to seamlessly pass escalated customer technical issues quickly and efficiently. You'll track, route, and escalate unresolved issues to management, and you'll need to remain current on constant process updates and technology used within the company, and perform duties with awareness and in accordance with the organization's policies and laws. So you must have reliable internet. Experience in a call center environment is a plus. Knowledge of word processing software, so spreadsheet software, order processing systems, and contact management systems. Also be able to multitask and be proficient in Microsoft Office. Of course, since this is part-time, you're not eligible for medical benefits, okay? Now you will receive holiday pay based on the hours worked per day. Our next opportunity is coming from Blue Orange Digital, which is a New York-based AI native consulting and development firm. They specialize in data engineering, predictive analytics, and machine learning. And currently, Blue Orange has an executive assistant. This is part-time. You're going to support their CEO in a highly visible, trusted, and impactful role. And so you're going to act as the strategic partner and operational extension of the CEO, managing priorities and maintaining momentum across relationships, and ensuring opportunities, communications, and commitments are handled with care and follow through. And so you're going to own and manage the CEO's calendar with a strong sense of priority, context, and balance across internal and external commitments, and anticipate scheduling needs by understanding the purpose and desired outcomes of meetings and events. You'll prepare the CEO with clear briefs, background context, and organized materials using collaborative tools, and you'll track decisions, commitments, and action items, ensuring timely follow-up and closure, and you'll serve as a trusted gatekeeper using sound judgment to manage access, timing, and information flow. You're going to also be responsible for relationship and opportunity enablement, systems, tools, and information management, sales and growth support, and strategic support and anticipation. Now, they're looking for 7 years of experience supporting senior executives, founders, or CEOs, be able to operate independently and multitask in a fast-moving environment. They want experience with digital tools such as Google Workspace, CRM platforms, so HubSpot, and project management tools, so Asana, and tech savvy with exceptional written and verbal communication skills. I am highlighting the compensation for you here. So those are all of the jobs that I have for you today. And if you have questions, comments, make sure to leave those below. You guys know that I appreciate you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Good luck to everyone who gets to apply for the jobs.